Gonna dive right in. Post-nuptial agreement for estate planning. Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney. I was contacted by a prospective client that will be getting married very soon. And this person had children from a prior relationship. It was going to be her second marriage. And she owned a home, and she had some other assets. So this was a phone consult. And she wanted to, have a prenuptial agreement prepared. And I explained to her about the prenuptial agreement and, the circumstances in which it would be valid and what would make it a good document and what would undermine the document. And the fact that the wedding was planned and it was going to be in just a couple of weeks, that really, in my professional opinion, was problematic for the prenup. But she did, in fact, want to have the house that she previously owned go to her child from a previous marriage, prior relationship. And, would the new marriage affect that if her second husband and she resided in that home, and especially if they resided there as a couple for a significant length of time, what would happen? So in the discussion, we came upon a plan. So it was my plan, and she agreed with it. We're going to do a will for her, and that will leave the house to the child. We're also, and with a number of other things, and we're also going to do a post-nuptial agreement. So the marriage is going to take place. After the marriage, we'll have a post-nuptial agreement. It'll be a written contract, and it will specify assets and disclose assets, and there'll be we'll cross our, how does that go? We will dot our I's and cross our T's. So if you need me to be a grammarian for you, please reach out to frankbrunolaw.com.